Hi, my name is Ricardo Alencar, founder of RickTron. In this video, you're seeing our laser machine in action. It is precisely cutting an impressive metal tube. This tube is 8 feet 2 inches tall, 12 inches in diameter, with a wall thickness of 1/8 inch. It's a special tube made with helical welding, which ensures strength and excellent surface finish. It's commonly used in irrigation systems, agriculture, and the oil industry. Perfect for structural projects, but also suitable for decorative applications. Watch how our machine operates with absolute precision. It's cutting complex decorative patterns and also our logo. Each line is cut with speed and perfection. This is what laser technology can do when combined with advanced engineering and creativity. At RickTron Technology, we design and manufacture high-quality laser machines. If you're looking for innovation and quality in laser cutting, get in touch with us. We're ready to turn your ideas into reality. We are RickTron, designing the future with precision and innovation. If you watched this far, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel.